Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. India is still, if one has a very good garden and flowers, if somebody goes, sir, I want to take some flowers from your garden for worshipping God. Yes, you can take. They will be very glad.
This man, his livelihood depended on those flowers, and I think his possessions were more important to him, unfortunately.
There's a funny story, there's a funny follow-up to that one, and that is that the flowers were taken from two men that ran nurseries, and we had to go through an appeal to finally get home. But just before the appeal came on, the boys needed a glass house because they've got special plants which we've got outside here, and they didn't know anything about glass houses, so they're driving around, and one said, well, let's go and find out something about glass houses. Oh, there's a nice nursery. So the car drives up, you see. Devotee goes out and he said, excuse me, sir, but we're interested in glass houses. He said, will you please get out of my lane? Same nursery. 200 nurseries around the area, he picked that particular one.
But if people would have been God conscious, they would have excused. Oh, they have come for God's service. All right, you can take. Therefore, the first business is to make people God conscious. Then everything is better. Jasyasti bhakti, there is a verse in Mara. Jasyasti bhakti Bhagavati akinchana sarvai gunai tattva samasati sura harava bhaktasya kuto mahadguna manorathena asato dhavatu vahi. The meaning is that anyone who is God conscious, devotee, he has got all the good qualities. What we consider as good qualities, he has got. And similarly, one who is not a devotee of God, he has no good quality. Because he will hover on the mental platform. There are different platforms. Bodily concept of life, general, and this body. Therefore, my business is to satisfy the senses. This is bodily concept of life. And others, they are thinking, I am not this body, I am mind. But they are going on mental speculation, like philosophers, thoughtful men. And above that, there is intelligent class of men practicing some yoga. And spiritual platform is above that. First bodily concept, growth, then mental, then intellectual, then spiritual. So this Krishna consciousness movement is on the spiritual platform, above body, mind and intelligence. But actually, we should come to that platform because we are spirit soul. We are neither this body, nor this mind, nor this intelligence. So, one who is on the platform of spiritual consciousness, they have got everything. Intelligence, proper use of mind, proper use of the body. Just like a millionaire, he has got all the lower grade position, 10 rupees or 100 rupees or 100 pounds. He has got all everything. Similarly, if we try to make an attempt to bring people on the platform of God consciousness, then he is possessing all other qualities, how to take care of the body, how to use the mind, how to use intelligence, everything. But it is not possible that everyone should become God conscious. That is not possible, because there are different grades. But at least one class of men should remain in the society as ideal, God conscious. Just like for our usual life, we require lawyers, we require engineers, we require medical practitioners, we require so many. Similarly, in the society, there must be a class of men who are fully God conscious and ideal. That is necessary.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.